Oh my goodness. I know what's in the box. You don't know what's in the box. You're about to find out what's in the box. It is my brand new $10,000 computer from Xidax PCs. Why did I get a $10,000 computer? Because I'm an idiot, but the best kind of idiot. I love playing video games. I got tired of my video games looking crappy, so I invested in my video game future. Also, I dabble on Twitch a little bit. Oh shit! You know, so why not invest into my internet career? I'm the next XQC, or well, who's the popular guy? That's one of the popular guys, right? Who's the other popular guy? Name a popular guy name. Hassan. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about the news, about drift news. Oh, see, we're coming up with ideas on the fly here on why I bought a $10,000 computer. There's no excuse other than I love playing video games. I've been waiting for a while to open this thing. As a lot of you know, I went to Massachusetts for a while to be with my mom, and this came right before I left, and I didn't get a chance to open it up, so it's just been sitting here teasing me for so long. So I think we should get right into it. Open this bad boy up.
We interrupt this video to show you some cool shit. Gamers, has this ever happened to you? Have you been told you need to go back to spaceship school? Tired of getting your shit clapped in by sweaty tryhards while you're just trying to relax after work? Does nobody understand your pain? Time to stop being a loser and get with the program. Be like this guy. Go for a nice Sunday drive with your ultra-wide monitor and cool-ass steering wheel. Don't leave me hanging, bro. Order today. Use discount code HERT. Go to www.xidax.com/HERT or else. Now back to our regularly scheduled programming.
All right, here it is in all of its glory. My Xidax PC, custom built just for me. It's got a Ace Z590 motherboard. It's got Trident Z Royals, brilliant gold, 32 gigs of RAM, RTX3080 GPU. CPU is a 11900K from Intel, 8 fans, 2 radiators, water cooled. Doesn't really get any better than this. Huge power supply. And I mean, everything about this thing is big. So once it's powered up, everything lights up all crazy. Ugh. I don't know. I'm kind of over this video. I want to go play games. So let's. First fire up. No way. I need more desk. I underestimated the size of this thing. Or I mean, I can just rotate this way and just play this way. But oh my goodness. Yo, Apex tonight? You wanna run some Apex?
Yeah, sure.
Alright. Well, yeah, here it is. My Xidax custom built PC. Gave you all the specs. Gave you the rundown. If you want to see me use it, twitch.tv/Hertlife. I don't have a schedule, random, but I'd be there. So come find me. Forza, Assetto, Apex, various games. Like I said, I love playing games. So we'll be around the block. But there it is. I don't know how to end videos, so just get out of here. Just like leave. I used to be a little bit of a computer nerd back in the day. Not so much these days, obviously cars took over my life. But when I was younger, I actually wanted to be a computer programmer, and I used to give myself viruses all the time for various reasons.
This car's fast as fuck! What the fuck?
So I just did something that I've been dreaming of for years. Years. It doesn't even feel real.